Hello, students, and good day. Starting another lesson is like a new notebook or papers that we need to open or write important details which adheres our interest in learning. I am Mr. Leo T. Solihon and I will be your remedial reading teacher for today. Welcome to our Quarter 1, Week 1, Day 2 lesson. Today, we need to hit the button to power on our ideas, insights, and perspectives in terms of new lesson. So anyway, we must embrace and take down notes important words or phrases when you across an over one's head terms. To start with, you need to know first the learning objective, which is to discover meaning of new words that are not part of their oral vocabulary. So now on, we need to answer two important questions. The first one is, do you help your mother with household chores? The second one, what chores do you like doing? Well, helping with our mother is like collaborating or building relationship with each other. Doing positive things will add up with a pleasant sounding relationship at home. In relation to our lesson today, we need to read this short story. Terry was helping her mother in the kitchen. "Where is Manang Maring mother?" Terry inquired. "It's her day off, my dear," Mrs. Arceo replied. "Did you help Lola at home when you were my age?" Terry asked. "Yes, I helped her often. I grew up in the province and we did not have any helper," Terry's mother answered. "Oh," Terry gasped as she imagined how difficult it would be without Manang Marie. "Help me cut these vegetables," her mother said as she put the other ingredients into the casserole. Life then was much simpler. I loved the countryside, the vast fields, and fresh air. "So do I, mother," Terry said in excitement. "But I want to go places, to different cities, beyond the oceans and mountains. How wonderful it would be to see the whole world. Is that possible, mother?" she asked. "Well, have to work for that, my child. Someday, you will realize your dream," mother replied with a smile. So, try to pronounce these words carefully. Excitement. Again, excitement. Make it better. Excitement. Excitement. Simpler. Simpler. Countryside. Again, countryside. Excitement. Simpler. Countryside. It's your turn. You've got it! The next one. Wonderful, inquired, kitchen. Again, wonderful, inquired, kitchen. Wonderful, inquired, kitchen. Next, gasped, mountains, vegetables. Gasped, mountains, vegetables. Again, vegetables, mountains. Gasped, gasped, mountains, vegetables. Again, excitement, simpler, countryside. The next one, wonderful, inquired, kitchen. The last one, gasped, mountains, vegetables. In connection, we need to read and understand the definition of each term, which is the first one, excitement. It is a feeling of great enthusiasm and eagerness. The second one is simpler. It means to say easily understood or done, presenting no difficulty. The third one is countryside. It means to say the land and scenery of a rural area. The fourth one is wonderful. It means to say an inspiring delight, pleasure, or admiration. Extremely good, marvelous. In continuation, inquired means to ask for information from someone. The next one is kitchen. Our kitchen. It is a room or area where food is prepared and cooked. The next one is gasped. Also means to inhale suddenly with the mouth open or out of a pain or astonishment. Then, a mountain. It is a large natural elevation of the earth's surface, rising abruptly from the surrounding level, or a large steep hill, right? And lastly is vegetable. Vegetable, right? Means a plant or a part of a plant used as food, typically as accompaniment to meat or fish, such as a cabbage, potato, carrot, or beans. So again, the words are excitement, simpler, countryside. The next one is wonderful, inquired, kitchen. The next one is gasped, mountains, vegetables. One last try. Make it fast. Excitement, simpler, countryside. The other one, wonderful, inquired, kitchen. And gasped, mountains, vegetables. Always remember that the comprehension is the ultimate goal of reading. The importance of vocabulary development cannot be overestimated. Into the NIFTY or skillful classroom, we need to adhere the importance and definition of robust vocabulary, which is to improve all areas of communication such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Vocabulary is critical to a child's success for this reason. There are four. The first one is vocabulary growth is directly related to school achievement. The second one, the size of a child's vocabulary in kindergarten predicts the ability to learn to read. The third one, vocabulary helps children to think and learn about the world. The fourth one, expanding the child's knowledge of words provides unlimited access to a new information. So the question is reading English difficult? How to improve English reading with 8 easy steps. The first one, always make special time to read. The second one, read the right books. Third, ask yourself questions while reading and after reading. That is so effective. Fourth, improve fluency first. Then, 5, once you've learned to speed up, slow down. Next, ask a lot of questions. 7, read it again. And lastly, read many kinds of texts. To wrap up, always remember that the ultimate goal of reading and the importance of the vocabulary development cannot be overestimated. And take down also the definition of the robust vocabulary, which improves all areas of communication such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And the vocabulary is very critical to a child's success for these 4 reasons. So take down notes with this. The first one is vocabulary growth is directly related to the school achievement. The second one is the size of the child's vocabulary in kindergarten predicts the ability to learn and how to read as well. The third one, vocabulary helps children to think and learn about the world. And lastly, expanding the child's knowledge or words provides unlimited access to the new information. So remember that one, okay? And that ends our lesson today. Did you understand? Are the tips and examples clear to you? I hope so. But if not, you may go back to the lesson presented in your functional reading comprehension activity sheet. If today's lesson is clear to you, congratulations! You may now answer the activities in your functional reading comprehension activity sheet. Again, this is Leo T. Solihon saying, do not forget to smile and pray to complete your day. Good luck and happy learning!